I was about to make a cake, so thought why not to share it with you guys as well. And it's going to be my first video as well, so I'm a bit nervous, but let's see how it goes. So I'm going to share with you guys the ingredients of this dates and walnut cake that I'm making. Don't mind the sound in the background. The washing machine is running in the background. So which my mom couldn't wait till I make the cake, so it's running in the background. Anyway, so the ingredients I'm going to tell you, and then I'm going to write down the measurements in the description box. So what would we need? This is brown sugar, eggs, baking soda, and to make your life easy, just put the label in any random bottle you have. This is baking powder, vanilla essence. This is flour, all-purpose flour, oil, instant coffee granules, some pitted dates. I have a few kinds at home, so I thought why not to mix all of them together, and some walnuts. So in the next clip, I'm going to show you that how we are going to proceed with the process. So let's see you in the I forgot to mention in the last clip that you need a cup and a half of boiling water that you're going to soak the dates in. So we'll see you in the next. I mixed instant coffee granules, baking soda, along with the dates. These dates are pitted and then washed. So I'm going to use boiling water, which I've already measured out, like 1.5 cups. We're just going to leave these for a bit till they soften, and then we're going to come back to them later when we're done with our first step. So see you with the first step. So now I've put sugar, oil, eggs, and a bit of vanilla essence together in this mixing bowl, and I'm going to use the electric beater for all this to combine together. We're just going to do it for a few minutes, like 2-3 minutes, till everything becomes combined and creamy, and then we're going to add our dry ingredients. So let me just show you for a bit at how it's going to be like, and then because it's going to get noisy, so I'll just turn this off, and we'll show you the next step when I'm about to add the dry ingredients. So that's how it's going to be like. Just do it on the medium speed. It's creamy and pale, a little pale. It's not going to get too pale because of the brown sugar, but we'll get a little pale. So I'll see you in the next one. This is going to look like, oops, sorry, this came out, but anyway, this is how it's going to look like. And now it's time to add the dry ingredients. And yeah, I forgot to mention that in the meanwhile, we are preheating the oven on 200° centigrade, which is, I'm not certain right now how it's going to be in the Fahrenheit, but I think, but I'll check and we'll add in the description. So it's preheating while we are doing all this process. And I mixed all-purpose flour, baking powder, and a bit of salt that I forgot to mention in the ingredients. We've mixed everything together. Now it's time to add those dry ingredients into this wet ingredients. After the grind, and this whisk is back in its place as well. So we're just going to gradually add the dry ingredients, mix it, and then again add the rest of the dry ingredients and mix it again till everything is well mixed and uniform. But do keep this in mind and don't over mix, because if you're going to over mix, the cake is going to turn out really dense, and sometimes it becomes really chewy as well, which we are not going for. We want moist and dense cake, yet really delicate, not too dense. So I'm going to show you how it's like. Just when you add your dry ingredients, just give it a mix, not for too long, just till, as I mentioned before, till everything is mixed together. It's going to be quite thick, but then we like this, like doughy like. But now we need to add this concoction of dates, coffee granules, and baking soda. Our dates are quite soft now by this time, but a few are still a bit like they're still holding their shape, but it's fine. It's all right because when they're cooked and baked, they're going to get really soft while baking. So that's how it's going to be like. Now we're going to add this and these into this. So I'll see you when everything is mixed, and we are going to pour the batter in a bundt pan or whichever pan you have. We're going to grease it. I'm going to flour it, like dust it with the flour so that the cake comes out easily. If you want, and if you have, you can use a butter paper as well. Just cut a round circle from here and then fix it. I'm sure you know how to do that step. So I'll see you when I'm done pouring the batter into this. I'm doing it with one hand. So this batter is going to be runny, but it's fine. It's going to bake beautifully, will look and will taste great as well, inshallah, God willing. So we're going to put it in the preheated oven and for 60 minutes, depending on your oven. Mine is gas oven. So I'm going to I think bake it for 60 minutes and it's on 200. So I'll see you after it. So this is the final look. That's how I've decorated it. I've drizzled some homemade caramel sauce, more like toffee sauce on top of it, and some ground walnuts, and have also decorated with a few walnut pieces. So that's how it looks. It's really soft, but I'm waiting for it to cool down a little bit more before I cut a slice. I just cut a slice of it for myself, just had it and forgot to shoot it. Guys, it's delicious, it's so rich, it's so moist. You have to make it to believe it yourself. So I hope you give this recipe a try, and do let me know if you do. I would love to see your creations, and tag me in your pictures on Instagram. I'll post my Instagram handle in the description box, and hope that you guys enjoy this recipe. We'll see you guys again with a new recipe.